Folks, I'm Gord from GTA Guns, and the funnest thing I ever do is when we get a shipment of guns, and I'm going to share it with you as we unbox them. This came from a consignor from Vancouver. Hope you don't expect me to tell you the person's name. We keep that stuff secret. Sort of like Pawn Stars, we never know what's going to come through the door, and we don't. I think there's a bright future in shipping and handling for this fella. What do we have here? Oh, a Savage 99. And she is absolutely stunning in 300 Savage. Have a look at that beauty. Gun number 2. Rats. Ooh, this is encased. Yikes. Let's go. It opens. Oh, nice. Yeah, pretty sure this is a brownie. It is. Beautiful browning over and under. And she is a gorgeous old lady. Beautiful browning over and under. Can't wait to find out how old she is. That's gun number 2. Okay, and here's box number 3. Okay, what do we have in here? I've not heard of this one. Oh yes, I have. This is a Hollis. Very nice. Number 4. can tell already it's Browning by the buttstock pistol cap. No, it's not. What do we have here? Well, this is very interesting. This is an H&R Harrington and Richardson, and it's stamped 44 caliber, which generally means 44-40. Yeah, and it's rifled. And this is really old. I'm going to guess 1880s, maybe into the 90s. Wow. And I'm going to take some time to figure out this one. Very interesting. Very interesting. But there's more. What do we have in here? Oh, 2 for 1. This looks like a Model 12. Yep. She's a Model 12. There she goes. Need to line her up. And there we go. Beautiful Model 12. This is actually gun number 6. Okay. Right? Oh, she's a little 22 pump, I think. Nope, semi-automatic. It's old. I believe this is either a Browning or a Winchester, modeled after their 351 and 401. Yeah, Winchester model 63. Of course, it was designed by John Browning. And this is, I believe, a takedown model. There's your charging handle right here. And loads here. And comes apart here. Okay, this is the 9th gun. Boy, this guy knew how to pack. Jeez. Whoa, there's something else that went thump in there. Okay. Another gun case, real old canvas. How do we get this out of here? I think this is a 58 Remington. It is a 58 Remington. This is the very first semi-automatic shotgun I ever fired. I always wanted one. It has the adjustment for high and low brass shells, so you can take it to the trap range and take it out in the field too with heavy loads. Beautiful gun. It's a precursor to the Remington 1100, and she's nicely engraved. That's a really nice gun. Dying to find out if it's improved cylinder. Almost all of them came out in full. Ah, shoot, it is full. So it's a trap gun. A nice trap gun. Something went thunk in here. Oh! An extra barrel. Maybe this has improved cylinder. And if so, this would be an excellent trap and skeet gun. Skeet gun! It says skeet right there. Whoa! Oh, me likey. This is the last box, and it's been fun. It again is wrapped in a canvas gun sock. And here we go. It's old. Recoil pad's crushed. Well, it's been sitting a long time somewhere. What is this? It's CG Hanel. Oh, that's one of those Model 88s in 7mm. It's a I've not seen one quite like this. It's a carbine. And she's gorgeous. I love it when I don't know what it is. But I'm going to find it. Anyway, thought we'd share this opening for you people out there interested in firearms. And you're going to want to go and register for our newsletter. Go to gtaguns.com. Sorry, GTA Guns and Gear Auctions. So gtaguns.com. And register for the newsletter. We will tell you about these and other items of interest and inform you as to when our next auction is. Thanks for joining us.